So before this video gets started, if you want a super easy way to make money right now, there's an app called GetUpside. They pay you money to upload a picture of your gas receipt every time you go to the gas station, you fill up gas. All you have to do is go to one of the gas stations in the app, take a picture of your receipt, and you'll get up to 25 cents back per gallon that you fill up. So I'm talking like a couple bucks back every single time you fill up gas. And if you use my link and code, you'll get an additional 15 cents back per gallon. So that means on the first time you fill up, you'll get up to 40 cents back per gallon. I use it, and you can redeem the cash for Amazon gift cards, Starbucks, Dunkin' Donuts, PayPal money, or just sent directly to your bank account, or even a check sent to your door. Yeah, even a check sent to you. But yeah, the app is called GetUpside. Please use the link. You will not regret it. Stop paying full price for gas. And yeah, you can start making money today. So use the link down below. Okay, now let's get on to the video. Hey everyone, how's it going? Welcome back to the Rideshare Hub. My name's Dylan. Thank you so much for coming by. Okay guys, should I address? Okay, I won't address it. How's everybody going? How's everybody doing? Welcome back to the Rideshare Hub. Guys, I spent all my money on my hair care products and now I'm homeless. I'm living out of my car. No, I'm just kidding. God, okay. All right. In today's video, guys, I'm talking about how Uber is now letting drivers keep 100% of the fares. Okay, I need to get serious for a second. Okay, Uber is now letting drivers keep, wow, I can't stop laughing. Okay, get serious though. Okay guys, this is actually really serious. I'm gonna try to keep a straight face. Maybe I just won't look at the camera, at the screen. So I was just talking to Jacob Letman. I don't know if you remember that dude, Jacob Letman, on the channel. If you know who Jacob Letman is, give the video a thumbs up. If you drive for Uber, thumbs up. If you drive for Lyft, thumbs up. If you like money, thumbs up. If you hate money, thumbs up. If you breathe, thumbs up. If you walk, thumbs up. If you crawl, thumbs up. Thumbs up the video, guys. I need the thumbs up. But no, seriously, guys, Uber is okay. I was talking to Jacob Letman, and basically he you know, he's been a little bit out of the loop. He also lives in Arizona, and you know, he's receiving pandemic unemployment assistance, and he is a golfer. He's like a very part-time gig worker, and we talked on the phone today, and we were kind of catching up, and I was like, he's like, yeah, what is going on with California and whatever? And I was like, well, Uber's doing a lot. Uber's actually allowing drivers, because basically in California there was the law that got passed called AB5, and you know, Uber responded and saying the law that got passed basically reclassifies independent contractors as employees with benefits, and it was kind of aimed at all these gig companies, and Uber responded saying that, oh, the law doesn't apply to us, go ahead and sue us, you know, have fun, sue us if you want. And then this regulatory agency called the California Public Utilities Commission, CPUC, yeah, they regulate transportation laws and a bunch of other laws too, types of laws, and they address whether or not a law applies to a specific company. This is important stuff. This is why everything's going on, I assume. And they said, well, I guess they came out with the statement that yes, AB5 does apply to Uber and Lyft drivers. Uber and Lyft drivers, yes, they do fall under the category that they should be employees under the AB5. So what now Uber's responding with is now they're making it so drivers in California aren't falling under the AB5 rule. So they're doing two main things. Number one, they're introducing commissionless rides for drivers. So drivers can now, if a rider pays 20 bucks, driver keeps 20 bucks. Now they have to say, oh, well, the driver is actually keeping 100% of the fares. So they're accommodating. This is their compromise, guys. This is the big compromise that Uber's doing. And it's actually pretty weird, I guess. Pretty shady stuff. They're making it so drivers can now get commissionless rides. However, they're making drivers buy a pass that allows you to have this. So you have to pay money in order to get the commissionless rides. It's called Drive Pass. I've talked about it before. You have to pay money for 10 rides. 10 ride requests is 30 bucks. You have to buy this thing for 30 bucks. And their introductory offer is $7. So I might even try it just to try it if I go out and do Uber again. I drove Uber the other day, by the way. I want to get out there and experience this history. I only did 3 rides though. After that, I was like, I'm over it. But I'll probably do it again like next week or something. So that's the first thing. The second thing that they're doing is now they're allowing drivers to make their own rates, charge riders as much as or as little as they want. So if you want to up the surge to 5x, you can. And the weird thing about this too is like they didn't tell riders about this at all. They're just now sending drivers out to create their own rates, and riders are gonna, try to go to the grocery store and it's gonna cost them $50, and they're gonna be like, why does it cost $50? Because Joe, the driver down the street, is like, oh, let me try to do 5x. And it's kind of weird. I mean, yeah, he has all the right to, right? Uber allows him to. So that's like the big update with what's going on. So just so you guys know, if you're in California, that's what's going on. I can just show you really quick. I can show you. I have it all in my app. This is my Uber app. This is what it's called, Drive Pass. But this is real, guys. Buy Drive Pass for a select number of trip requests and pay 0% service fee for those trips. 0% service fee for up to 10 requests, $7. It's usually 30. They sent me an email. That's the intro. Let me see if I have. Bro, I better have service. Here we go. Yeah, this is like easier to look at. So they say this is the introductory. It's a discount, but it's usually 30 bucks for 10 requests. So you're paying $3 per ride request, not even a ride. Like if you get a really short ride, that's only $4, which by the way, let's go to my rider history. Bum ba da bum. The other day when I went out driving, look what I got. $4 ride, $4 ride, $5 ride. This was actually a $4 ride, but the guy left me a $1 tip. So if I would have paid $3 per these rides, I would have been losing money, literally in negative. So that they have that, and then also another thing is I can go here and then adjust the rate. They have auto pricing, or I can increase the fare to like 5x if I want, or 3x. I know I've heard some people are doing like 3x and they're actually getting rides. So, or you can maybe do like 2.5 or something. You're getting 2.5 times as much. It's pretty crazy. So the reason that Uber and Lyft is doing this is because in the law AB5, it specifies, I believe, that one of the stipulations to being an independent contractor is that you need to be able to set your own rates, set your own prices, and keep 100% of the job. So yeah, that's pretty nuts, but that's what's going on. So that's the update, guys. Let me know what you think. I think this is pretty crazy. Honestly, I think it's really crazy, but yeah, I like to hear your thoughts too. So thank you all for watching. Use the link down below for GetUpside to save 25 cents off per gallon, up to 25 cents off per gallon. And then if you use my link and code, you'll get an additional 15 cents back per gallon bonus for your first fill up. So yeah, if you fill up like 15 gallons, that's an extra, what, 15 times 15 cents? You're looking at an extra $2, $2.50, plus the up to 25. So you can probably get like $5 back on your first fill up. So yeah, use the link down below for GetUpside, and let me know your thoughts on all this crazy madness stuff. And yeah, if you're in California, have you used this stuff? I'm pretty curious. And if you're not in California, would you use this? Either drive pass the commissionless rides or set your own rates. I'm pretty curious. I mean, why now would you ever go on 1x? Like, might as well go at least 2x to get twice as much money. But yeah, anyways, thank you for watching today's video, guys, and I will talk to y'all soon. Bye, guys.